Now in this question, we are given that Jim receives a base salary plus 10% commission on the price of each car he sells. So let's write down the information first. So step 1 is that Jim's salary is equal to the base salary plus the commission, and the commission is equal to 10% of the price of each car. So basically it is 10% of the sum of cars he sold. So this is what we had. This is what we can infer from the question. Now we are also given that Jim sold 15 cars last month. So cars sold last month by Jim were 15. We have to find out what was the total amount of base salary and commissions. So the base salary is unknown to us and the commission is also unknown to us. The question requires us to find the base salary and the commission. Now, since no other information can be inferred from the question, we move on to step 2. So step 2 is analysis of the statements, which we do individually. So statement 1 tells us that Jim's base salary was $3,000. So here we are given the information that the value of SB is $3,000. Now this partly answers the question. We know that it gives us the value of SB, but the number of cars he sold is known to us and its value is unknown. So we cannot find out the commission using this. So commission is still unknown. We can conclude that statement 1 is insufficient, and hence we eliminate options A and D. So if I have the options written here, A, B, C, D, E, we eliminate options A and D. We are left with option B, C and E. So we now move on to check the sufficiency of statement 2. Statement 2 tells us that Jim sold 3 cars whose price totaled $60,000 and 5 cars whose price totaled $120,000. So total price of 3 plus 5 cars is equal to 60,000 plus 120,000. So price of 8 cars is equal to $180,000. Now it is given that Jim sold 15 cars last month. So we still have no information price of the 7 cars that were sold. Also the base salary in this case is also unknown. So the statement 2 is also insufficient. And the last option, which is the step 3, is to combine and check the sufficiency of the statements together. So step 3. Now from statement 1 we have that the base salary is equal to $3,000, and from statement 2 we have that the price of 8 cars is equal to $180,000. And since we know that the salary of Jim is equal to SB plus SC, can we calculate the base salary and the commission on the cars using the two statements together? The answer is no, because the statement 2 tells us the price of 8 cars. The price of the other 15 minus 8 cars, which is the 7 cars, is still unknown. So we cannot say, and hence we cannot calculate the salary. Hence both the statements together are also insufficient. So the correct option is option E.